Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any of the 3D planets in 1 minute by using the Blender 3.6. How to create the 3D models of the planets. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. Alright, now this is my Blender 3.6. And the next step, what you are going to do is just scroll down, go to my video description. I already put the link, the first link, download the planet's materials texture. Just click into the first link, then it will lead you to the official sites of the solar system scopes. Then you scroll down, you can see the solar textures. For the first groups, these are the planet's texture. And the second groups, these are the Earth texture, and then suns and the moons. So to create a planet in 1 minute, it is really easy. For example, if I choose the Mars, the high resolution 2K, I click download. Then at this moment, it is going to download the 2K Mars texture, and it depends on your internet speed. You need to wait for a while until the whole picture finish loaded in this browser. So now it seems it almost done. Just wait for a few seconds until it stop everything. Now it consider ready downloaded. I right click and save the image as. I'm going to save it on my desktop. This is just a sample, a 2K Mars. I click save. Then I close this tab. Now next, you should be able to see the texture image is at there. This is the Mars texture. The JPG. Next, we are going to come back to the Blender. This is just a fresh new 3D project. And as demo, I'm going to press A and press delete to delete everything from here. Then click add a mesh, add a UV sphere. Then right click, shade smooth. Next, just turn on the texture. Click here to turn on the texture. Then click the material, click plus new. Then under the base color, you can see a dot. Click this dot and change it to image texture. Then click open. The texture is on my desktop. I double click the 2K Mars texture. Then now you can see the Mars planet's texture already loaded. It is already loaded into this UV sphere, and this is really the Mars. And just have a look. Alright. It is pretty easy to create any of the planets. You can click here to just resize it. You can press S to resize it. Then you back to the solar system scopes. Actually, you can get any of the planet's texture from here and use the same methods to just set it on any of the UV sphere in Blender 3.6. Now you really can get any of the planet's 3D model. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a 3D planet just in 1 minute by using the Blender 3.6. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you.